Hey guys, Josh here, and I'm glad you made it to this video. Before you click anything below or going to the next step, please make sure na mapapanood nyo tong video tutorial na to on how to fill out the application form for IMG. Ayan, so we're going to proceed with this 6,000 pesos application for IMG membership. And once you get to this page, wala na po kayong gagawin dito. Okay, just click here. All you have to do is just click this part. If you're from Philippines, if you are from another country, you could check for your country availability and yung payment po is currency ng country na where you are from. Okay? But for the most part, for Filipinos, then dito tayo sa 6,000 pesos membership po. Yung sponsor is my name, Joshua Ilupa, and my agent code 9901LF. That means that I will be your mentor or trainer. Ayan, for IMG. So you can ask me questions about the business and the membership and its benefits. Ayan. So let's go. First step is to click here and one-time fee joining sa IMG. So in this part, you will fill out the application form. Lahat ng information nyo, but make sure you have a TIN or BIR number. So get ready with your ID. First, we're gonna fill out yung ano mo, last name. So let's just say your name is John Reyes Cruz, right? So last name is Cruz, first name John, at saka yung middle name Reyes. Ayan. And then email John underscore Cruz, right? At gmail.com. Make sure you retype po yung email nyo para makita din natin na nag-match talaga siya. Ayan. So again, yung sponsor code is 9901LF with my name there. And no need for this BAP or trainer kasi automatic ako na yung trainer nyo. Okay? Yung forwarding address nyo po is where you are located in the city. So, let's just say you're from Cebu or ano, ayan, CDO, Davao, Pasay, Makati. Depende po sa um, ano nyo, location nyo. Okay? Meron din tayong mga ano dito, yung walang name ng IMG talaga na office or financial center. But for this example, let's say you're from Cebu. Let's put Cebu here. Saan ba yung Cebu? Walang Cebu, no? Kasi may ano eh, IMG Cebu din talaga. If you don't see your city here sa actual name, may IMG offices tayo na official offices. So, um, let's find it here, IMG Cebu office. Ayan, for example. And then, occupation nyo po. So, for me, let's say freelancer. Mhm. Birth date nyo, let's say ano, January yung birthday nyo, pwede nyo yung changing year, right? And maybe let's say 2000, year 2000 or 19 ano, let's say 1996, January 17. Telephone number, if you have telephone number, please fill it out. Pero pag wala, okay lang. Yung mobile number nyo po, required. So, let's just put, you know, example lang po yan. But make sure to fill out your phone number. Okay? And then civil status, for the most part, single. But if you are married or maybe separated, kailangan official talaga na married kayo, may marriage certificate kayo, or separated kayo, meron talaga kayong papers. Ayan. Or widowed. Okay? So let's just say married tayo. Um, and meron kang spouse but hindi siya IMG member. Or not yet at least, 'di ba? So spouse natin si Maria, Clara, let's just say Cruz kasi syempre married na eh, 'di ba? Tapos for spouse code NA siya if he or she is not a member yet. But if member siya, then you put the code. Or if you forgot, then just put IMG 100. Yun. Okay? Nationality, syempre, Filipino. And then, yung TIN number nyo, so just put it here. Let's just say, ito yung TIN number ko. And then yung employer, San Miguel, let's say. So, example lang po ha. Kayo na po bahala sa information nyo. Basta make sure na everything checks out. Okay? And then yung college, or sorry, educational attainment, until college yung nakalagay dito. If you're MA or PhD, just put college or high school if you graduated high school and never went to college. Okay? So either high school or college, or even elementary, no problem po. Basta yung option natin is ang until college lang. Okay. Now sa address naman, meron tayong permanent address, meron tayong mailing address. If the same naman, just copy paste. But if not, then fill it out. So for example, 123 Sampaguita Street. Yan. And then sa city, let's say Cebu City, right? Cebu din, yung region. And then zip is 6,000. Okay. So, country, Philippines, state, ayan. Hanapin natin yung Cebu dito sa state. And then yung city, Cebu City. Cebu, street is the same, Sampaguita Street, right? Zip is 6,000. Yan. For this part, you will be asked if member ka ng IMG before, or if you're an agent for life insurance, non-life, or healthcare. So in this example, first time application natin, so no lahat. If you are, just indicate the name of the company. Okay? And the last part will be your acknowledgement. Okay? So just read through this. Basahin mo lang, pati to. But to get through, you need to agree to the terms. Okay? Confirmation natin. Um, and afterwards, we can write our signature here. Okay? So, just review muna before tayo mag-sign. Everything matches. Okay, looks good. 'Di ba? Okay. So, let's sign. So, see, if you don't know how to sign here using a mouse, just put your initials. So, John, 'di ba? Reyes and Cruz. Maybe yung ano mo, last name mo lang yung i-ano mo, spell out. But if alam mo naman gamitin yung mouse kasi for some hindi nila alam, then please make sure to sign talaga. If you're using tablet also, mas madali siya mag-sign kasi you can use yung finger mo to sign for it. But for the most part, if di mo alam paano gamitin or paano mag-sign using the mouse or sa laptop mo, so just put your initials. Okay? Kasi anyway, you've already confirmed here all the information is correct. Okay? So let's go ahead and click continue. And then you're gonna be asked again for a confirmation. You say okay, right? Right after that, an agent code will be generated for you. Ayan. So, eto na yung agent code mo. Okay? So, itong agent code mo, ito na yung gagamitin natin once we become an IMG member. Tulad nung sa akin, 9901LF, yun yung agent code ko. An agent code will be generated once you apply for membership. Yan. So, to process the payment, you have several options here. You can use credit card, debit card, online bank transfer. If you're outside the Philippines, remittance, or you can do bank deposit, or maybe mga Palawan, yung mga ganon. Ayan. So, for this example, let's use online bank transfer. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-easy na option for me. Okay? For others, you can choose other option as well. Okay? So, yun. Ito yung information mo, right? Just add your mobile number here. Ano ba yung number na ginamit ko kanina? Ito, I think. So, And then yung option dito, yung payment method mo, bank deposit or transfer or remittance. Ito yung option niya. Same lang siya ng ano. So, let's go ahead and proceed. Ito yung membership mo, 6,000 pesos. Okay? Agent code, next step. Ayan. Dito sa next step mo, you can choose which bank you would like to deposit the money or transfer the money for online transfer. Let's just say you're gonna use BPI, so let's use BPI and then just select. Okay? And at this point, ito na yung where you can upload your payment. Okay? Upload your payment, proof of payment. You deposit the money dito sa IMG account. Okay? Ito yung account ng IMG. So makita nyo, may IMG dyan. This is the account number. If you're asked for reference, this is your reference number. Once you get here, marireceive mo yun sa email mo, itong instructions na to. But to make it easier or faster, once you apply and then you get to this part, to this page, then you go ahead and proceed with the payment and upload it here, dito. Okay? Ayan. So once you're in this page, all you need to do is fill out the yung date ng deposit mo. So I have an example here. Your transfer was successful. This is through BPI. International Marketing Group, ayan yung ano niya, account number. And yung timestamp niya, kasi kailangan yung timestamp natin dito. Yung time na pag-deposit niyo po. So, yung format niya is 24-hour format. So, yung akin is 3:26 and 22 seconds. So, let's say this is the payment that I made. March 30. So, let's put March 30. Okay. And then the time is 3:26:22. So that's 12 plus 3 is 15. 'Di ba? That's 24 hours format. 15, 26, 22. Ayan. So, once you do that, um, just make sure that you upload the file, the same file na ano mo, screenshot ng payment mo. For this example, um, we're going to use that example, yung itong file na to. So, just upload that here. You select the file and upload that. And once you get that uploaded, then you can hit submit. Okay? And once you hit submit, it will tell you that your payment was processed or it's being confirmed in the IMG office or cashier. Okay? So again, just make sure na meron tayong timestamp na nilagay dyan na same with the um, same with your payment. Okay? Same sa timestamp ng payment nyo. And then, once you have uploaded that, you will be routed to a page na confirmation ng payment nyo sa IMG. Ayan. So, all right, guys, that's everything for the application. It's very straightforward. Madali lang siya. After uploading your payment dito sa ePay natin, make sure to let us know. Okay? Let us know that you have uploaded and paid for the membership so that we can enlist you for another group. Okay? Private group po natin sa um, team ng IMG under my leadership. Ayun. So, we have very exciting group, private group na gagawin natin. And we have a lot of mentors there. So, make sure once your application is forwarded and processed, you can receive that from your email. So once you're done, then make sure to send us a message or comment sa group natin on one of our posts. Okay? So thank you guys for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in our members group. All right. See ya.